All right, welcome back, viewers. There is a new development in the Amethi poll battle in which Congress is yet to name a candidate. Posters requesting Robert Vadra to contest have now been put up outside the Congress's Amethi office. The posters basically read that the people of Amethi want Robert Vadra this time. In fact, as far as Robert Vadra is concerned, remember Smriti Irani has also been taking pot-shot at Rahul Gandhi and the Congress over the speculations that Vadra, could be fielded or possibly would like to be fielded from Amethi. And after posters were put up and after the controversy broke out, Vadra's posters have been removed. And we have both those visuals on the left side of your screens. You can see the posters of Robert Vadra being put up, and on the right side there you can see those posters have been removed after, of course, Times Now broke the news of the posters being put up. Adeeb is joining us live on the broadcast. Adeeb, rather interesting development coming in from Amethi. Early morning we saw posters of Robert Vadra from Amethi had been put up right outside the Congress office there, and now we are seeing that all these posters have been removed.
Well, definitely these posters were put up early in the morning, but now what we are seeing is that the posters have been removed by the police and they are stating that it's the model of code of conduct and no posters can be put. And so they have removed the posters right outside from the Amethi Congress office. Several other posters were also put up across the Amethi. All the posters have been removed. The posters were clearly demanding that Robert Vadra should contest from Amethi, and it's the demand of the people of Amethi. Remember how from time to time Robert Vadra has been saying this, that if given a chance he wants to contest from Amethi, but however Congress is yet to announce its candidate from the seat of Amethi in Raebareli.
All right, Adeeb, stay with us. We have Anila Singh on the phone line with us. Anila Singh ji, what do you have to say about these posters? As far as Robert Vadra is concerned, they had been put up in Amethi, and now, of course, after there was a huge, furor over it, now those posters have been removed.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead.
All right. So this is a matter which has to be sorted by the Congress party. Mr. Vadra, he is the son-in-law of the family of the Congress party, and if there is some sort of uproar about the poster, then definitely they should come ahead and sort it out.
But would you say that there is some confusion in the Congress as far as Amethi is concerned, ma'am? Because, earlier we had a very interesting reaction which had come from Robert Vadra's side. He had said that, if at all he was to fight the Lok Sabha polls, he would have considered and would have liked to fight from Amethi. And in the backdrop of it, we have these posters of Robert Vadra from Amethi which had surfaced outside the Congress office today.
See, there is an fight going in between. There is a tug of war for power. So that is coming in front. So this is a reality, and if you are asking me, is there any sort of confusion in the party? So confusion is the medium of the Congress party. Instead of calling it Indian National Congress Party, it should be Indian National Confused Party. I'm not surprised at all, but I know one thing for sure, full of they are going more personality.
Right. So, ma'am, are you suggesting that the posters being put up and then subsequently being removed is a result of an alleged rift within the Gandhi Vadra family? Okay, we've lost that line with Anila Singh, but this was a very sharp reaction coming in from the side of the BJP. BJP saying that this is a sign of confusion and a rift within the Gandhi Parivar, and that's why the posters had been put up. And earlier, which we saw in the morning, and now we are seeing, of course, the posters have been removed. Remember, as far as the BJP's Amethi candidate Smriti Irani is concerned, she's on the front foot. She's repeatedly attacking the Gandhi scion. This time she's asking him, and she took a jibe at him, and I quote, "जीजा जी की नजर अमेठी पर है, इस बार साले साहब क्या करेंगे?" Rather sharp reaction. Listen in to what Smriti had to say.
जीजा जी जगदीशपुर चिंता है, मतलब जगदीशपुर में कोई तो जमीन होगी जिस पर नजर होगी जीजा की। सही कह रहे हैं? अब 26 बाद आएंगे वायनाड से, ऐसे टाटा। हाँ भैया, फिर भी आएंगे तो देखिए बीजा जी की नजर है तो साले साहब क्या करेंगे। एक जमाने में दादा बैठे हैं, बड़े बुजुर्ग जब बस में सफर किया करते थे, 5 मिनट के लिए सीट छोड़ के कहीं जाना होता था तो बुजुर्ग अपनी जेब में से रुमाल निकाल के सीट के ऊपर छोड़ दिया करता था कि बैठना मत, हमारी सीट है। करते थे क्यों नहीं करते थे बात। तो राहुल गांधी भी रुमाल छोड़ने आएंगे, चिंता न कर, क्योंकि बीजा जी की नजर है।
30 मई को मोदी का हनुमान हमको बनना है, नहीं कह रहे? 30 मई को मोदी का हनुमान हमको बनना है। कांग्रेस की भ्रष्ट लंका में अपनी पूंछ से आग लगाना और बूथ पर जाकर कमल का बटन दबाना है, राष्ट्रभक्त मोदी को जिताना है, सही कह रहे हैं?
All right, we have Siddharth Nath Singh on the phone line with us. Morning, sir. Thank you for joining us on Times Now. What do you have to say, sir? Early morning, we saw Vadra's posters had been put up from Amethi, and a few hours after that, the posters had been removed. Do you think this is a sign of confusion within the Congress party?
Well, Congress party is totally confused. I think Robert Vadra is himself pushing for his candidature in Amethi, in Raebareli. So, but it's an internal matter. But desperately, Robert Vadra wants to contest, and it's for the family and the Congress side. However, nobody can be entitled to put their posters. It's against the code of conduct. So, rightly, if the police has removed, it is then it's the right thing. And if it is the Congress party has removed, then again it's a sign by the Congress party that they are not, Robert Vadra is not welcomed in Raebareli.
So are you suggesting, sir, when you say it's an internal matter, a sign of a rift, are you suggesting that these posters being put up in the first place, the assertion which had come from the side of Robert Vadra earlier saying that, if he was to contest Lok Sabha polls, he would have considered Amethi. Do you think all of this is a sign of a possible rift within the family as well of the Congress party?
Well, there is certainly a rift within the family, and the clarity is not there within the family whether the Robert Vadra or Priyanka Vadra are allowed to even contest. So, the message that is in the the public domain, I would say, and the perception that the mother is not keen that in electoral politics any of Robert Vadra or Priyanka Vadra should come in. So there is certainly a rift which has not been clarified by the family, but there is a rift which seems to.
Well, could that mean advantage BJP? We'll have to wait and watch. But
well, I don't really say. Well, let me put this way.
Okay.
If either Robert comes or Priyanka comes or even Sonia comes, and as heard that if Rahul Gandhi comes and contests from Amethi, and these three, they come and contest, any family member contest from Raebareli. This is not their election. And this is only one person's election. That is Modi ji's election. Modi ki guarantee ka election hai. So it is out of question.
So you're saying the candidate wouldn't matter, the BJP is confident. Thank you, sir, for joining us on the broadcast. The BJP is saying that these posters, Vadra's assertions, are a sign of internal rift within the party and within the Gandhi family as well, exuding confidence of victory from Amethi and, of course, the 400 par. We had Siddharth Nath Singh. We also have a reaction which has come in of Shehzad Poonawala. Let's listen into what he had to say.
अमेठी वालों, अमेठी के किसानों, अपनी जमीन जायदाद के कागज को बचा के रखना। अब रॉबर्ट वाड्रा आने वाले हैं, ये मैं नहीं कह रहा, ये कांग्रेस पार्टी के पोस्टर कह रहे हैं। भैया तो डर चुके हैं और कुछ लोग रायबरेली का मैदान भी छोड़ चुके हैं, पर अमेठी में दामाद जी को भेजने की तैयारी हो रही है। मतलब कि राहुल जी भी मानते हैं कि अमेठी जाने की उनकी स्थिति नहीं है, क्योंकि वहां पर रायबरेली में और पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश में इनकी राजनीतिक विरासत ही खत्म हो चुकी है। पर देखिए ना, आज सवाल ये पूछा जा रहा है कि क्या वायनाड की जनता को भी धोखा दे रहे हैं राहुल गांधी, क्योंकि वायनाड से चुनाव लड़कर 26 तारीख के बाद घोषणा करेंगे क्या अपने दूसरी सीट की? अन्यथा अभी बता दीजिए कि क्या दूसरे सीट से लड़ने वाले हैं या नहीं लड़ने वाले। 26 तारीख का इंतजार क्यों कर रहे हैं? वायनाड की वोटिंग खत्म होने का इंतजार क्यों कर रहे हैं? मतलब कि एक बात स्पष्ट है, एक तरफ वायनाड की जनता को धोखा और दूसरी तरफ किस प्रकार से अमेठी, रायबरेली, उत्तर प्रदेश में जाने की हिम्मत नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, क्योंकि उनको भी पता है कि जिस प्रकार की शब्दावली उनके ही साथी डीएमके के नेताओं ने, उनके ही साथी और लोगों ने उत्तर भारतीयों के बारे में की है। स्वयं राहुल गांधी ने अमेठी के लोगों को क्या क्या बुरा भला कहा है कि उनको विषय समझ में नहीं आते। तो अब राहुल गांधी जा नहीं पा रहे हैं तो भैया नहीं तैयार, जीजा जी को कर रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर आप आ जाओ और करो नैया पार। परंतु अमेठी वालों, अपनी जमीन के कागज जो है छिपा के रखना। आपको तो पता ही है ना जमीन जायदाद के साथ क्या कर लेते हैं इनके लोग।
All right, we heard all the BJP reactions. Adeep is continuing to be live with us. Adeep, you heard what the BJP had to say. BJP says Rahul is scared and that's why Robert Vadra is stepping in the Amethi battle. There is rift within the Gandhi party. Take us through the war of words which has escalated and emanated over these posters which had surfaced today morning. And has there been a Congress rebuttal to the BJP reactions yet?
War of word is going on between Congress and BJP. BJP is openly challenging Congress, whether it be Smriti Irani or other senior BJP leaders. They are very confident about the Amethi seat, and they are saying that if Rahul Gandhi wants to come or if Robert Vadra wants to come, Smriti Irani will challenge them and will defeat them. This is what BJP has to say. However, Congress has been tight-lipped. Congress is saying that we will have to wait for the CEC. CEC will decide. Congress is also saying that it's the bastion of the Gandhi family. The Uttar Pradesh Congress has sent multiple proposals to ICC demanding that the Gandhi family members should only contest from this particular seat. And so now we have to wait for the CEC meeting only, after which it will be clear that whether Congress is going to field Rahul Gandhi or Robert Vadra from that particular seat, or will there be a new face coming in from the Amethi?
Will it be Rahul Gandhi, Robert Vadra or a new face? Of course, that suspense remains. Adeep, stay with us. We have another reaction which is